Hey guys, it's Jess back with another Misfit Makers Besties tutorial, and this week we are doing the adorable ink cow print. Make sure you hit that like and subscribe button and leave us a comment down below. We upload videos every Wednesday and Friday. Also, check out our free Facebook community, Misfit Makers, and if you want to take your business to the next level, check out our mentorship group. So today I will be using inks from Krafty Kow, and the color that I'm going to be using mostly is Tainted Love. It's this really pretty hot pink. Check out their site. This is the neon bundle that they offer, but they have like a huge variety of colors. So go check them out. I will link them down below. I'll also be starting today with a 16-ounce plump from the Tipsy Magnolia. All these companies will be linked down below in the supply list along with our discount codes. I already have my 16-ounce plump glittered, and the colors I used are from the Glitter Guy. They are Karen and Sarah's birthday blend. Really pretty ombre. I went live in the Stacy DIY group doing this ombre, so if you'd like, you can go check it out. So if you've never made a cow ink print tumbler, do not overthink it. I will say that multiple times throughout the video. I cannot stress that enough. There is no cow out in this world, no two cows that look the same, okay? So just grab an inspo picture off of Google and go for it. We want to go for abnormal shapes. I call them popcorn shapes or cloud shapes. You don't want a perfect circle. So what I'm doing is I will be adding these popcorn shapes all around my tumbler. Big, some small, all different shapes. Some cow print, there is not that many spots, and some cow print, there are big spots and they're close together. So again, find an inspo picture that you like. So me personally, I love the cow print where there are two colors working together to make that cow print. So if you go the traditional route, you always see the brown spots with like the black spots around it. I love the way that looks. When you just have one color, to me, it looks like just ink dabbed on a tumbler. So if you can, try to incorporate that second color. For me, I knew that I wanted to keep my tumbler all pink because I wanted it to look like strawberry milk, right? So instead of adding a second color, I just went for a lighter pink. And the way I did that was I took a little bit of white ink and I dabbed it around the sides of my spots to create a different shade of pink. So that's what you'll see me do here. I'm going to do this to every spot all the way around my tumbler. Again, try not to overthink it. We're going to add that white to make that lighter pink. And then I will end up going back in with my darker pink and just kind of blending the two colors in. It helps if you walk away for a little bit too, like set your tumbler down, walk away and come back and just get a fresh pair of eyes looking at your cup. I feel like with designs like this and leopard spots, the longer you are sitting here staring at it, then you start to overthink it and second guess yourself, or you don't know when to stop. So I promise, stop, walk away, come back. So we're going to do this all the way around. I'm going to mention a few things. All of these things will be listed down below that I want you to check out. First thing, check out our website, misfit-makers.com. That's where we have all of our merch and our upcoming events. So go check it out. We have some awesome things on there. We have some tumbler stands that say Misfit Makers. We have some shirts, groupie shirts. You can sit with us shirts. So go check it out. Also, Birthday Bash. Birthday Bash is in September 8th and 9th in Joplin, Missouri, and tickets are going so fast. So grab your tickets. I think there's 11 left at the moment, but there will be vendors for shopping and all kinds of fun things. Okay, that's all. That's my little speech. After you are completely done with your inks, make sure you let them set for 24 hours to dry. We're using Turbo today, Turbo Epoxy from CC DIY. So whatever you use underneath has to be fully dry before using Turbo. If I were using any other epoxy, you don't have to wait as long. I would recommend at least waiting an hour or two to let those inks dry. But with Turbo, you have to make sure everything is 100% completely dry. So I waited 24 hours and then I went in with 50 mLs of Turbo epoxy. That was dry in about 25 minutes. So I went in with my second coat of epoxy because it wasn't quite completely smooth. So after my second coat of epoxy, then my tumbler was smooth enough to add a decal. So I sanded down the rims, sanded down my tumbler really, really good, and wiped everything off with my tacket cloth that can also be found from Amazon. Now, the decal that I'm adding today is from Etsy. I will link her shop down below as well. I'm going to let you guys catch up for a second, but I just wanted to make sure that I showed the entire ink process. After my decal was added, I went in with my final coat of Turbo, 30 mLs, to complete this beauty. And voila! Look how adorable she turned out. So cute. I hope this tutorial helped and inspired you, and I cannot wait to see all those cow print ink tumblers.